Hi everyone, in our last class we have already discussed how to solve numerical integration using trapezoidal rule, Simpson's 1/3 rule and Simpson's 3/8 rule. Today we will discuss some numerical calculations of these three formulas which explore some other dimension. So last class or jiketa question asile he question keita prottekote fx or eta definite value dia asile, right? So we have done, say for example, 1 by 1 plus x square, 1 by 1 plus x, 1 by x, etc. So prottekote fx or value eta definite form dia asile, and aji eta ami example explore korim jot fx or value to dia nai, rather x or value dia ase and corresponding fx or value ki hoy hebor dia ase. So let's take the example. Here dia ase the x are 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, and last is 4, and the corresponding values of fx are 0, 0.176, 0.301, this one is 0.397, this one is 0.477, this one is 0.544, and last one is 0.602, right? So a example to tomorrow x of value dia ase and the arguments and corresponding attributes of value dia ase, and you are supposed to find out 1 to 4 fx dx is equal to what? So in this example we have 6 intervals, right? We have 6 intervals, right? Eta, duta, tinita, sarita, pasta, and soita, right? So we have 6 intervals, that means n is equal to 6. Similarly, yator majot gap ki ase 0.5, that means h is equal to 0.5, right? x0 is equal to 1, xn equal to 4. Okay, so that means my last class oto koisilo je jetia multiple of 3 thake, then you can use either Simpson's 3/8 rule or Simpson's 1/3 rule, right? So 1/3 ketia hoy jetia 2, 4, 6, 8 and all thake, and 3/8 ketia hoy 3, 6, 9 and all thake. So 6 duita te common ase, that means a question to যেহেতু 6টা intervals আছে, so that means we can either use Simpson's 1/3 or Simpson's 3/8 rule. So we will try to solve this using both of them, the Simpson's 1/3 or Simpson's 3/8 rule use kori ami duita use kori etu solve koribole try korim. To eyat ki hoise je this is x0, this is x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, and this is x6, and a2 value hol y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, and this is y6. Okay, so we have the values. Then ami formula likhim the Simpson's 1/3. This first number one is Simpson's 1/3 rule, and by Simpson's 1/3 rule, integration fx dx x0 to xn is given by h by 3 y0 plus yn plus your 4 times of y1, y3 up to yn minus 1, and plus 2 times of y2, y4 up to yn minus 2. So this is the formula, and in this case amar eto integration 1 to 4 fx dx, so here is equal to h ame ki paisilo, h is your 0.5, so 0.5 divided by 3, and let me zoom out so that we can see everything. Okay, so y0 value ki ase, y0 is 0 plus yn means y6 hobo, so that is 0.602 plus 4 times of y1 or value ase 0.176, right, plus y3 value ase 0.397, and then last y5 hobo yate because all the odd numbers, so that means 0.544. Okay, plus 2 times of all the even numbers. Even numbers ot ki thakibo, in even number we will have this y2 and y4, thik ase, because y6 lobo nwaro because it is already included as yn, right. So this is y2 is 0.301 plus y4 is 0.477. So this is the value. Ami yak just simplify korile, you will get 0.5 by 3. This one is 0.602 plus 4 times of 1.117 plus 2 times of 0.778. This is equal to 0.5 by 3 into 6.626, and ultimately we will get the value 1.10 approximately. Okay, round off korile ami 1.10 pam. So the value is 1.10 of this integral. So equation 2. Now this is by Simpson's 1/3 rule, right? Now we will do the same thing using Simpson's 3/8 rule. So number 2 is Simpson's 3/8 rule. So Simpson's 3/8 rule ki koise je x0 pora xn loke jodi tumi fx dx of integrate kora, you will get 3 times of h by 8, right, y0 yn plus your 3 times of y1 y2 y4 and so on, go yn minus 1 plus 2 times of y3 y6 go up to yn minus 3, right. So this is Simpson's 3/8 rule. So a rule mote di amar jodi yat sabo lage, then we will get integration 1 to 4 fx dx will be 3 times of 8 by 8 y0 plus y6 loke asile, so y6 plus 3 times of y1 y2 y4 plus y5 hobo plus 2 times of y3 hobo, right. So 3 multiple etai ase. So this is equal to 3 into amar h yate ki ase 0.5 by 8, okay, and then y0 value asile your 0 plus y6 or value asile your 0.602 plus 3 times of y1 y2 y4 and y5. So your y1 is 0.176 plus y2 is 0.301 plus y4 is 0.477 plus y5 is 0.544, right, plus 2 times of y3 means 0.397. Okay, so let's do the calculation. So this will be 0.1875 into 0.602 plus 4.494 plus 0.794, which is equal to 1.101, or approximately it is 1.10, right? So আমি দেখিলো যে দুইটা মেথডতে আমি যি ধৰণে ক্যালকুলেট নকৰো কিয়, whether we use your Simpsons 1/3 rule or Simpsons 3/8 rule, we get the same result, right? So that means integration 1 to 4 fx dx is equal to 1.10, right? That's the solution. So এই সলিউশনটো আমি দেখিলো যে আমি একটা ডেটা and also we saw that যদি তোমার ডেটা সেটটোৰ বা কোৱেশ্চনটোত তোমাৰ জাস্ট values দিয়া আছে of x and corresponding values of fx দিয়া আছে but তোমাক exact value দিয়া নাই, তেতিয়া হলে আমি কেনেকে ইন্টিগ্ৰেশন কৰিব পাৰো। So the next example is we want to calculate integration 0 to 6 1 by 1 plus x whole square dx, okay, using 1/3 rule, right? Simpsons 1/3 rule. So this is our example number 2 for today, and yate মন কৰিব যে there is another one যেটো আমি already কৰিছো, that was 1 plus x square আছিলে, but this one 1 plus x whole square, right? So let's start with yate your x0 is 0 and xn equal to x0 plus n times of h is equal to 6. This implies n times of h equal to 6. So let h equal to 1, then n equal to 6, right? Or তুমি vice versa যে তুমি n equal to 6 equal parts ত ভাগ কৰিব বিচাৰিছা, then your h will be equal to 1. So that depends upon যে তুমি h ধৰিবা নে তুমি n ধৰিবা, right? So আমি কি পালো যে x0 n h ৰ ভ্যালু পালো, right? So এতিয়া প্ৰথমতে আমি কি কৰিব লাগিব, x ৰ ভ্যালুবোৰ লিখিব লাগিব। So 0 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So we have divided the entire range into 6 equal parts, right? 6টা equal parts hoise. So this is x, right? এতিয়া আমি y equal to fx or value লিখিব লাগে, right? Y equal to fx or value লিখিব, and fx কি হয়, fx is nothing but 1 by 1 plus x whole square, right? So that means ইয়াত value কি হ'ব যে ইয়াত যদি x ৰ ঠাইত 0 বহাও, ইয়াত যদি 0 বহাও, then it will be 1, so this will give you 1. Next কি পাম যে 1 by 1 plus 1 whole square, right? So this is equal to 1 by 2 square, right? So 1 by 4, which is 0.25. So yat ki baba 1 by 1 plus 2 whole square, that means 1 by 3 square, that is 1 by 9, and your 1 by 9 is 0.111. Yat ki pam 1 by 1 plus 3 whole square, that means 1 by 4 square, right? So 1 by 16. So 1 divided by 16 will give you 0.0625. Similarly, yat pam ami 1 by 1 plus 4 whole square, that means 1 by 5 square, that means 1 by 25. So 1 divided by 25 will give you 0.04. Right? So similarly, in the same way, yat keep about 1 by your 6 square, that means 1 by 36. So 1 by 36 is 0.028, and then this will be 1 by 7 square, so 1 by 49. So 1 by 49 will give you 0.02, approximately 0. So এতিয়া যদি আমি এইখিনিক অলপ simplified লিখিব লগা হয় তেতিয়াহলে x are 0 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, and y equal to fx or value whole first kind of 1, that is 0.25, 0.111, 0.0625, this is 0.04, this is 0.028, and this is 0.02. So dekhiba je y value bo decreasing hoi goi ase, right, with increase in x. So etia ami ki koribo lage je integrate koribo lage using Simpson's 1/3 rule, right? So Simpson's 1/3 rule means এটা a2 whole x0 x1 x2 x3 x4 x5 and x6. This is y0 y1 y2 y3 y4 y5 and y6, right? So etia ami Simpson's 1/3 rule, in this case it will be integration 0 to 6 dx 1 plus x whole square will be h by 3 y0 plus last asile y6, right, 1/3, that means 4 times of odd, sorry, y3 and y5, and 2 times of even, that means y2 plus y4, right? So amar yate h is equal to 1, so this is information, so it will be 1 by 3. y0 is 1 plus your y6 is 0.02 plus 4 times of y1 means 0.25, y3 means 0.0625 plus y5 means 0.028 plus 2 times of y2 means 0.111 plus y4 means 0.04. Now it's time to simplify them. So 1 by 3, this will be 1.02 plus 4 times of 0.3405 plus 2 times of 0.151, this is equal to 1 by 3 1.02 plus 1.362 plus 0.302. Now if you simplify this, you will get 0.895. So So integration korile you will get 0.895. Okay, so there is a homework for you. Try to solve this the same question using trapezoidal rule and Simpson's (3-8) rule. That means find 1. Yes, that means find 0 to 6 dx 1 plus x whole square using these two formula, and this is a homework for you, right? Try this yourself. So the next problem that we will be discussing is find -2 to 2 x square dx, right, using numerical integration. Okay, so -2 to 2 dia ase, right, hetu ulabo lage. So here our x0 is -2, xn is equal to your x0 plus n times of h is equal to 2. So x0 is -2 plus n times of h 2, and h is equal to 4, right? So if you want to apply new Simpson's 1/3 rule, the 1/3 koribo loga hole we can take n equal to 4, right? Tetia h equal to 1 lobo paru, right, in that case. But if you are going to apply Simpson's 3-8 rule, tetia hole amak n equal to at least 6 lagibo, but right? So at least 6 loga hole, that means you will have 6 times of h equal to 4. This implies h equal to 4 by 6, right? So 2 by 3. So that's the value of your h. Now this 2 by 3 calculation kora hoyto tumar karone tedious kam hoi jabo pare, right? Though yate x square calculate koribo dise, not a big issue, but still tumar h is fractionot ahi ase. So until and unless question to specify kori dia nai je tumi 3/8 use koribo lage, go for 1/3, right? 1/3 rule jaba, and 1/3 rule etia a situation to ami ki paisu je n h equal to 4 paisu. Jodi ami h equal to 1 loilo, ami automatically n equal to 4 pai jam, and we can apply your Simpson's 1/3 rule, right? So let's try to solve this by that. Okay, so ami ki korisu, ami let n equal to 4, then h equal to 1 hobo, x0 is -2 and xn is 2. So value bor ki hobo, x or value ki hobo -2, 1 hole -1, then 0, then 1, and then 2, right? So sarita bhagot bhag koriso, right? 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4 part. So the corresponding value of y equal to fx is, fx ki hoy amar yate square ulabo dise, right? We are going to find x square dx, right? That means our fx is nothing but x square. So -2 square korile ami 4 pam, 8 square korile 1 pam, this will be 0, this will be 1, this will be 4 again, right? So ami ki palu je y0, y1, y2, y3 and y4 values, and we are using Simpson's 1/3 rule. Tetia hole ki hobo, integration -2 to 2 x square dx will be equal to h by 3 y0 plus maximum ki ase y4 ase, right? Simpsons 1/3 কি হয় 4 times of odd numbers হয় odd number কি আছে y1 plus y3 plus 2 times of even numbers ইয়াত মাত্ৰ just y2 এ থাকিব right because y4 already include হৈ আছে ফৰ্মুলাত so আমাৰ ইয়াতে h কি আছে 1 লৈছো 3 right y0 is 4 plus y4 is again 4 plus 4 times of y1 is 1 and y3 is again 1 plus 2 times of y2 means 0 so this is 1 by 3 4 plus 4 8 plus 4 times of 2 right so this is equal to 1 3 16 right so 16 by 3 is the answer which is 5.333 so that's the solution right so I guess that's all for today and by this we have completed your numerical integration chapter 2 we have discussed about why we need numerical integration right je kiyo lage jetia possible nohoy so the methods right methodor bitorot tumar ki ase tinta method ase one is trapezoidal this is method and this is why the why under it if I have to recall everything the why under it duta karon ase ektut karon hol je direct solution does not exist the direct integration noare and function is unknown ei duta karon hobo pare and then if any of them is true then we will go for the numerical integration by this three method trapezoidal then Simpsons 1/3 and 3/8 rule right tinta method ase tinta methodot tumi solve koribo para so you will have to memorize yate monot rakhibo laga ki kotha ase je you memorize the formula right je keneke formula ke eta ki asile hetu monot rakhiba and then approach to keneke hoy so general approach jodi moi kobo laga hoy jera suppose tumak dia ase je values right so tumak jodi eneke dia ase je f and fx so question dui dhoroner hobo pare first type to hoise tumak directly values dia ase x or value dia ase kisuman and correspondingly f of x or value dia ase and you are asked to find out integration fx dx right then normally is a lower limit or upper limit jintu thake integration or tolot value or upper value to hoday yar horu value to or yar dangor value to majote dia thake right in case ketiaba jodi trick koribor karone tumak yat extra value dise but tumar ei lower limit joba integrate koribo dise is suppose yat ase and yat ase then we formula ebur ignore koribo lagibo you will ignore them you will start with this that is first type second type ot ki kore the second type ot tumak fx of function to dia thakibo je ko ase je integrate -5 to 5 suppose fx dx jot fx or value dia thakibo fx can be anything the 1 by 1 plus x square ami paisu 1 by x paisu inverse 10x so pabo paro ami right korbat to sin x to pabo paro anything can be given as fx সো তেতিয়া কি হ'ব যে a ফৰ্মত থাকিলে যদি তুমি ফাংচনটো ফৰ্ম দিয়া থাকে দেন অলসো ইউ উইল হেভ টু গো টু x ৰ ভ্যালু লিখিব লাগিব এন্ড fx ৰ ভ্যালু লিখিব লাগিব বিকজ আদাৰৱাইজ আমি কেতিয়াও ফৰ্মুলাত ভ্যালু বহাব নোৱাৰো right so that's the approach how you solve numerical integration so that's all for today see you in the next class